Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're out here in Louisa, Kentucky. That's out here on the east end. We're here at Fallsburg Fearplex, a scream park with 4 different haunts all in one place. One of them is a brand new hospital theme called the Jon Lynn Asylum. I'm telling you right now, you're not going to want to miss it, so without further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
Take your door up! Don't go in my book! I want to tell you I'm on a page! No, please watch your cycle! Where do you think I'm going?
Maybe that way. I don't know.
So you want to go that way?
No!
What's the matter?
You!
Oh, that's so nasty.
Oh! What the hell? Are we going under the house?
Please, somebody help me!
Keep walking before you end up like this!
Which face am I looking at?
You want to end up like that?
I don't want to look like that.
Jesus!
Watch your step!
I don't like this. I don't like this at all.
Either.
They're right on top of you.
Tammy is back there. He is.
Tammy's still alive.
Wow. What?
Something about the shower.
Jesus.
Daddy wants to butter you up, boy.
Oh, shit.
Come on! Come on, I want to play!
Oh, my God.
Come on, come here.
Oh, no, you stink.
Come here.
No,
Come on, I want to play!
you stink. Man, you won't.
Why does it smell so bad in here?
Oh, my God. Oh, yeah.
I'll show you what you're working with. I'll give you some of that.
Oh my God, it stinks.
Come on, get in!
No.
Come here!
Oh, he's getting out.
I'll hear you! I'll bury you alive, boy!
That was so good. That was so good.
Who's that?
No, you stink.
He's not.
Hello.
What do you think you're doing? Want to get up on the table?
No.
Oh, come on, we need a victim. You get in my room. Ain't nobody supposed to be in there. See what happens to me when they just get up there for 1 second. I'm gonna eat some of this. This is my room. Mine.
I don't want none of that. Line up. Where are we lining? Oh, Lord. Okay. Oh, it's time.
No sharp objects around the patients. No weapons inside the asylum. No alcohol permitted on the premises.
I think you violated that already.
Y'all get through.
Scared.
Oh, look, again. I found it. Your prescription right here.
Yeah.
Idiot. Seriously? It's the 4th time. I told you last time to stop hanging out with whoever you've been with, okay? We're out of antibiotics. Here's cheers. Out of luck.
We gotta take what we can get. No more chlamydia.
I've got the clot.
It's bumpy.
What are you guys watching?
Sally.
That's real
I'm gonna
food.
pass. I'm gonna pass.
Oh. You've been doing that a little bit.
You must have been doing that a long time. It's a padded room.
Feel too well.
I know.
Follow me. Follow me. Go in there and they I'm trying to use the bathroom.
I think we're in the ladies' room.
Don't you love it? Don't you
Yeah.
love it? Ask the question, don't you love it?
Yeah. This is the women's bunk room.
Yeah, it's great.
Huh?
What
Oh.
the?
Get to him with your nightcap.
What is in there?
Oh,
It's very moist in here.
Watch this thing. Watch you get to your nightcap.
Oh God.
Sammy got it in the face.
Yeah, I think it got in my mouth. Oh, Tammy.
Oh! I'm not your mommy.
I am not a mommy. Mommy, please don't leave me. I am no mommy. Mommy, please don't leave me. Your mommy's right there. Mommy.
That's your mommy.
She's dead. She's right back there.
What are you showing me? Ew!
Yeah, okay. I don't know what he's
Pull
doing.
that shit straight out of her.
Oh,
You
it's
gotta get a
bubbles.
reaction.
Yeah, it's Bevel.
Oh, ballerina.
Not as bad as dead.
Not nearly as bad.
It's just a little
You opened your mouth again, didn't you?
walk through.
I forget I'm not supposed to talk.
Circus time.
That was good.
Oh my.
Come on in and get your tickets. I said get your tickets now!
Oh God.
Come on, one super ticket! I'm not asking for a lot, people. I feel like it's a fair trade.
Do you want to play with me?
Yeah,
I don't
let's
think
play.
No one ever plays with me.
It's because you're angry sounding.
Why do you not want to play with
I
me?
don't trust you.
Why don't you trust me?
Because you're a clown.
Whoa.
Oh,
What the f-
oh God.
I was not expecting
Oh
that.
my.
I like it.
Oh God.
Oh,
God.
oh my God. Sorry,
God.
Ethan. Damn.
Oh my god.
I did not drink the fireball.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Oh, there's
Oh,
bubbles.
I had a flashback for a second.
Jump in so bad.
Oh God.
Hi.
Oh.
Don't you like my music?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Clap for me.
I do like the music.
That claps for you. What is that? Oh my God. Look at
Evil clown.
That one's
That
got
was
three
in his
faces.
face. Had 3 faces.
Yeah. Oh, oh.
Why does this
lots
one
of
feel
faces.
like black duct tape?
I don't know. It's gross. It's gross. Ooh.
Oh, he got a
look
claw
at that.
machine.
Got impaled.
I
Whoa.
love that.
He
What
didn't make
the
it.
fuck?
You are the chosen one.
Oh, what are we watching?
Are they real?
No.
I like that.
Oh, Jesus.
That one is.
Oh, God. Everything feels weirdly off-center.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my.
What in the world?
Wow. Got him. Oh God.
Oh, jeez.
Please, spare us whatever you have, please. We need more feet, flesh, anything. We'll take it all, please.
What do you got?
You want to read me, Send me!
My.
guys, well, that was Fallsburg Fearplex. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. Awesome place to hit if you're out here in Eastern Kentucky. While we're out this way, we're also going to 12 Pole Manor. That's another really awesome one just across the state line in West Virginia. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.